wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Okay, so I usually like to start my day with a bit of planning, you know, a simple to-do list, even if it's just, you know, eat breakfast and, I don't know, take a shower, go outside. It really helps me to kind of be productive or, like, you know, feel productive. And I highly recommend something like that because, you know, even if these are just super simple things, it can still help you keep your day flow and, you know, feel like life is still normal and you are sane. Gotta get some cheese. I love this song.
Take me anywhere that you want.
Hello.
Come back again. And as long as the sun.
Let's eat. Hello? Are you dead or what?
Something to buy, da ba da ba, yeah. Da ba da ba ba ba, da ba 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 da ba ba, yeah. Set the ba da da ba da.
Okay, that is gonna take a while.
Sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the water. It's that sweet life. Raise your crown. Listen to quick smile.
I'm so hungry. Oh my god. Hi, Mr. Hine. Okay, so we are cooking dinner right now, or more like warming up pre-prepared food. Let's call it like that.
Yeah.
Hello, we're gonna play some basketball right now. Hi baby. Cześć, liczny psiu.
Life is a winding road. No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights. Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling.
Nie.
Okay, so apparently this happened. So So guys, I'm making a thumbnail for my Make Art With Me video, and I honestly have zero idea for the thumbnail. Is that a creative block or something? Like, I don't know. I think I got to just, experiment a bit. Oh, bless me. It's alive! Hello! So, the time has come to review my to-do list for today. Somebody's eating. Hey! Hey! Okay, so that was quite a day. I feel like I kind of need to get real right now because I just had a nice crying session with my family, basically. Like, my family wasn't crying, I was crying. That sounds horrible. But yeah, basically I think that I am going through a little bit of an identity crisis, if I can call it that. And what I mean by that is that I really don't know who I am. And I really feel this pressure of having to know who I am. And I also feel that I am the one who is, creating this pressure. And right now I want to find a way to, just get rid of that, because come on, like, I'm 19. I do not have to know things. I don't have to know everything and have everything figured out, because that is not what, being a young adult, or like essentially being a, human means. Like, you do not have to know everything. And I think that even in 100 years, when I'm really old, I won't know everything, and that's okay. Like, that's what being human means. That's what being human means, yeah. And there is nothing wrong with that. Yeah, and I really feel like I need to remind myself of that more often, because, the general topic of personal growth and kind of embracing your inner self is really alive in me right now. And I really feel like I want to be inside those things. I want to be interested in that topics, and I want to live them. And basically my crisis is about me not being in tune with those things, because lately, right now, I'm talking about my 2 previous episodes here on YouTube. What happened is that I feel like I was not being myself there. I was trying to be someone else. And yeah, I feel like this even sounds crazy, because I don't know what is the definition of this someone else and what is the definition of my true self. I don't know that yet. Yeah, this whole identity crisis is it's complicated. It is. But I'm so grateful for the fact that I have a family, especially, I have amazing parents who are not afraid to talk to me about these things, because they were the ones who basically told me that, hey, like, you are not being yourself. And I knew that, like, deep inside me, I knew that when I was making these videos. And, I just have to, I just had to have someone told me that. I had to hear it to kind of really, understand it. And right now I feel like it has come to my attention fully. And I'm also grateful for the fact that I'm able to notice that and to, verbalize this crisis and to verbalize what is going on right now inside. And I really truly am excited about this journey of mine, and about the fact that I can identify those things and that I can actually work on them. That really, that really gives me power. I feel like my power comes from, the power lays inside identifying those small things which you can later improve on. So yeah, I also encourage you to kind of, ask yourselves this question: who am I? I know that sounds really, complicated, and because this question is very hard to answer. And the truth is that I think nobody really knows the true answer, and there is no one correct way to answer that question. Yeah, and I honestly don't even know where I was going with this. I feel like I'm really, in this mood right now for sharing. And I'm also really tired. Yeah, that is probably why my sentences do not make much sense anymore. But yeah, I just really want to end this video with something positive. I felt like sharing this with you because you are a part of my journey right now. And I want you to know that. I want you to be aware of the fact that I am growing right now, and that I'm also inviting you to grow alongside with me. So please, if you have any thoughts on this topic, or just literally anything, if you have anything on your mind that you want to talk about, please text me on Instagram. Here's my handle. I always respond. Thank you for following me on this beautiful Sunday. I honestly don't know if anyone is still here because it is late. Yes, it's very late. And I know this video is probably hella long right now. But yeah, if you are still here, thank you. Thank you for that. This really means a lot to me. And yes, on that note, I think we are done for today. Thank you again. If you have any feelings after this, or any, just literally anything, you can comment that down below. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again soon. Night.